What is going on, YouTube? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm so excited for today. We're going to go pick up the powder coated parts finally. I mean, they haven't taken too long, a couple weeks, but there was one mistake in the powder coating. The axle somehow got separated with some of the silver, the parts that are supposed to be silver, so he is going to have to redo the axle to be the correct color, but we're going to pick it up today. Figured out to start out the video with the baddest rig on planet Earth. I stopped by my dad's shop so I can drop this off for him to drive, and I'm going to pick up his Jeep. That way we'll have a little bit more room for the parts in the back. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited to finally get some parts back. And we at the Bojangles picking up breakfast for me and Ronnie. I got a Cummins rig in front of me, dually, she wide. There's a Sierra behind me. I'm pretty sure it's a Duramax. Got all the rigs around here, you know, all the work rigs. What'd you think about them powder coated parts, Ronnie?
Them things is real purty.
All right, boys, now we're absolutely balling out in the Jeep. Big moves, you know. Yeah, I dropped my daddy's Jeep at 19, you know, nothing major. We are here, boys. Classic powder coating in like Winterville, Athens, Georgia area. I've only seen pictures of the stuff, and the pictures, it looked phenomenal. So I'm really ready to see this stuff in person. I think it's gonna look perfect. We're gonna pull down here and check this stuff out, and I'll show y'all when I get down here. Boys, I'm so excited. This color looks so freaking good, man. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Look at that. My God, I couldn't have picked a better color. All right, guys. Whew, boy, it's hot out here. I'm sweating just from loading all this crap up. But this first day has been sunny here in about a week. It's just been raining like crazy. But I mean, check this color out, guys. It's so freaking pretty in the sunlight. It looks kind of dark over here. It looks kind of orange, but it's such a pretty color, guys. Like, I really don't think I could have went with anything better. It's got some dust on it from those blankets, because they're cabinet shop blankets. It's Illusion Spanish Fly with Baby Rockstar Sparkle top coat. And then, like I was saying over here, we had some accent colors. Some of the pieces were accented like it's called dark silver metallic. All these colors are from Prismatic, by the way. But this is what it looks like. The dark silver metallic, that's what that looks like. Like I said, this axle was supposed to be the other color, but he's gonna redo it for me for half price, so that's good. But yeah, everything turned out great, guys. I mean, I really don't think if I ever have anything else to powder coat, I don't think I'll take it to anyone else. This guy's work is phenomenal. His name is Eli with Classic Powder Coating in Winterville, close to Athens, Georgia. I mean, his work is perfect, man. I wouldn't let anybody else do my powder coat work, and he's pretty good on pricing too. So yeah, if I can help him out in any way, it'd definitely be to recommend his business. He does some awesome work, guys. So any powder coating needs, Eli Classic Powder Coating. But we're gonna hit the road. I gotta go get me some work boots, so because my old ones are about clapped out. But I'll probably catch back up with you guys when we get back to the house to unload this stuff. But yeah, it's awesome, guys. I love it.